Okay, welcome. It is my true pleasure. It's an honor to honestly, personally invite you to a webinar that after having seen and after having heard what is being said there will definitely not leave you the same than when you started watching and hearing what you're about to see and hear. So 100% hands-free, completely done for you, automated online success. For the first time I can truly say that something is so revolutionary I can call this a marketing interrupter that has never ever seen the face of this marvelous planet that we live on. So you're invited, you're personally invited to an exclusive webinar coming soon. Click links underneath to be witnessing global income a global income opportunity where everyone will succeed, a powerful strategy set to change the history of internet marketing, brand new, never seen before, artificial intelligence that really forces you and your success, completely automated, 100% hands-free, done for you marketing system. It builds any business or multiple businesses for you on autopilot. It's a team builder, it's a business builder. It's been something that has been missing on the whole internet arena for so long. It's finally here, so receive guaranteed visitors to your and many websites while you sleep, unlimited automated payments, and instant residual passive income for life. Let us build your business or fund your cause or both. You're invited by me personally. Reserve your seat, join the live webinar, become a founder member. It's a time-limited offer at this moment. Previous webinar playbacks also possible. My name is Rob Buser, and when you see this on YouTube, click links underneath here to find out more info or to go to the live webinar, and you'll also find links that you can claim your free position right away, or claim your position right away. It's not free, my apologies. I'll take that back. And then when you see this on a page where you can leave your best email address, mobile telephone number, and so on and so forth, do that. We won't spam you. We'll send you appropriate video information of not only Onpassive and Gofounders, but also other wonderful online opportunities that are out there right now that you're able to use this marvelous artificial intelligence software for in order to lead people to funnels to end up in other opportunities. So become a serial network marketing entrepreneur with automated recruiting and team building software. We make sure that you get the right funnels towards your online opportunities, although the actual platform that is being launched right now is fully self-contained. You don't necessarily have to have other online opportunities. So here you go. You can also use this for your normal websites, your click-through websites, your YouTube campaigns, your Facebook campaigns, everything. This is a game changer. It's the biggest marketing interrupter I have ever seen yet, and I'm playing this game for approximately 20-30 years already. Mr. Ashmufara, thank you so much for this astronaut-like NASA-type quality platform that you've built over the last couple of months. It is mind-blowing. My sincere thanks. And then also thank you, Team Onpassive, Team Gofounders, all the founders that have believed in this dream until now, and then I'll see you and yours. So click links underneath, leave your best email address plus mobile telephone number, get back to the person that sent you to this video information, click links underneath for more information, claim your free position, and then I'll see you and yours. Oh yeah, thumbs up, so click that little thumb and become a member of this channel if you'd like to. Rip this video and put it on your own Facebook channel with your own links underneath if you don't want to duplicate and share this video in particular, because my links are underneath, my team links are underneath, our team links are underneath, so be careful with that. That's a warning / tip. And then I'll see you and yours definitely on our webinars, seminars, live streaming sessions, events, clinics, Zoom calls, Skype calls, wonderful outings, and we have special inner circle 1%er marketing clinics that will literally put you into a group of nouveau riche that has never seen the face of this planet yet. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. No guarantees, no promises. I'm saying that to get rid of these sheep-haired, black-robed individuals, and then I'll see you and yours definitely in the most beautiful resorts and on the most beautiful beaches of the world. I'll check you soon.